Now partnership agreement. Because you have more than one owner, right? So once in a while, they may fight against one another, probably about sharing the profits. Okay, when they make a lot of money, when they make a lot of profits, it's likely that they would fight against one another about how they share the profits, right? Somebody may say, I have put in more effort, so I should deserve more share of the profit. And then the other person also say the same thing. Okay, so we need to avoid such thing to happen when the business is ongoing. So we must have an agreement. We all sign an agreement about how we share the profit and so on. Okay, all the important things about the partnership must be stated in this agreement. It is also known as deed of partnership. Synonym. Okay. Now write down the general, please write down with me, the general purpose of having a partnership agreement. It's a very common question as well in the exam. Okay, you write down purpose to avoid okay. So that's the purpose. That's the benefit of having partnership agreement. Okay, so it's the terms here are simple. I don't explain. Okay, I don't explain it to you. Okay, now let's look at what are the important contents in a partnership agreement. Okay, write down with me. Write down with me. These are super important for the topic. For those who go for exams in October, November this year, I believe you should have learned this topic with your school teacher. Okay, so you take this as revision or relearning. After we have finished the syllabus, I will bring those students who are going for exam in 2022 to another group, which is in the morning, 11 o'clock. Okay, 11 o'clock every Sunday. And then those who go for exam in October, November this year, you will stay in this group. We do revision. Okay, contents in partnership agreement. You write interest on capital. Okay, for now, you just copy. Later, I explain to you what each of this means. Okay, I will explain to you what each of this means. Interest on capital, interest on drawings, profit sharing ratio, salaries for partners. Okay, after that, do some more writing to, to show the explanation to these four contents. Okay, so write colon, interest on capital, the purpose of it is to, okay, write down. Later I'll explain as well. Okay, you write down. Because in the exam, it's quite likely for them to ask you what is the purpose of each of these contents. They may ask you, for example, what is the purpose of interest on capital? What is the purpose of interest on drawing? What is the purpose of giving salaries to partners? And so on. Okay, you write down. To reward, okay, owners slash partners. Second one, Number 3, okay, number 4, okay, done. Okay, why do I need you to write? Why don't I type it on my own and then I send the notes with all the writings here? Because when you write it yourself, you can remember better. Okay, so that's why I leave blanks here and there for you to fill up. Okay, when you're done, you let me know. Then I explain each and every one here to you. Okay, when you're done writing, let me know. Okay, good, Kelly, Shamin. Whichever word you cannot see, let me know. Okay, good, Crystal. Okay, Ethan and Wilson, I wait for you. Okay, good. Now, let's understand each and every item in the partnership agreement. Let's understand the last one first. The last one first, easiest to understand. Salaries for partners. So you need to be aware what is meant by the word partners. Partners means owners, right? The owners in this partnership business. Okay, owners are known as partners in partnership business. So why do we have these salaries for partners in this partnership agreement? It is because not all the partners would actively manage the business. Some partners, they have money, but they don't have time to manage. They have too many businesses, they have money, they have ideas, but no time to manage. So only those who have time and money, that means they want to involve being closer to the business. So for those partners who want to actively run the business, want to know the ins and outs of everything in the business, they will go and work every day. Okay, that means every day they would wake up and then go to the business and run it. Okay, so for these partners who are hardworkingly taking the time to manage the business, they get extra reward known as salaries. Okay, that's the reason I've written here for you. It says reward partners who actively manage the partnership business. Okay, partners who have time and who would like to actively manage the business, then they get salaries for partners. For those who only contribute money, they don't get salaries. Okay, that's salary for partners. Okay, next one, which is the first one. Interest on capital. The purpose of having this is to reward partners who have contributed money into the business. How do you become a partner in the first place? In order to become a partner in a partnership business, you must first contribute capital. Capital means money. Okay, you must first contribute capital into the partnership business. So in return, they must get some form of money, right? So you call this as interest on capital. to reward owners or partners for their invested capital. Okay, why in the first place you invest into business? To earn money, right? So interest on capital is the reward to the partners because they have invested money into the business. Okay, there's 1 minute left. Later, I show you the comparison between these and what would happen in sole trader business. Okay, you may exit and rejoin. You see, let's compare this with how a sole trader business rewards himself. In a sole trader business, sole trader is the only owner, right? Sole trader is the only owner. How does this sole trader take money out of the business for personal use? You call it drawings, right? You call it drawings. So that's how sole trader takes money out of the business when the business makes money. Okay, when the business has made a lot of profit, that's the way sole trader takes the rewards. Sole trader takes the reward through taking drawings. You think it makes sense? Yes, right. Drawings means owner take anything, okay, out of the business for personal use, especially money. So that's how sole trader takes rewards out of the business, is through drawings. But you think, here we are talking about partnership business, right? There's more than one owner. Okay, there's more than one owner. Assume that there are two partners, okay? Assume that there are two owners, that means there are two partners in this partnership business. If any one of these two partners, they are allowed to take anything they want out of the business, I think it's uncontrollable, right? It's uncontrollable if you allow them to take anything out of the business for personal use. Okay, the partner A may take more than the partner B takes, or vice versa, right? So to control how much partners take out of the business, we have something known as the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is to discourage partners from taking drawings. Why do we discourage partners from taking drawings? Because you want to control how much they can take. If one partner has taken more drawings than the other partner, and then without any penalty, then the partnership may not run very well, right? Especially, okay, I give you an example. If the partnership business right now has only $20,000 cash, okay, without money in the bank, the partnership only has cash of $20,000. One day, partner A wish to take drawings of cash. Okay, partner A wish to take drawings of cash. And partner A wishes to take $19,999 of cash drawings. Do you think it's significant amount of money? Yes, right. After partner A has taken drawings of cash amount to 19999, then the partnership business is left with how much? $1 cash. Do you think this is going to affect the operation of partnership? Answer is yes, right? So that's the reason we need to control the level of drawings partners take. Through what? Through imposing interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is a kind of penalty to discourage partners from taking drawings. Okay, so everyone, you have understood why we need to have interest on drawings? Okay, good, Crystal. The rest of you, I need to ensure that you understand this. Otherwise, I will explain again. Okay, good, Kelly, Sherman, Wilson. Ethan, can understand why we need to have interest on drawing? We want to control the level of drawings every partner takes. Okay, otherwise, the partnership may not run well or it may fail altogether. Okay, compared to a sole trader business, do we need to control the drawings? No. Sole trader, there is only one owner, right? Nobody would care how the business would be doing, right? Only the sole trader cares. So we don't need to control drawings for sole trader business. Makes sense, right? Okay. So that's the reason you need to have interest on drawings. And If the partners are not allowed, if the partners are discouraged to take drawings, then how do partners get their rewards? For sole trader business, for sole trader business, sole trader take the rewards from business through drawings. Okay, whenever business makes a lot of profit for the year, sole trader can take drawings as a reward. That's the reason you need to have interest on capital. Since partners are discouraged to take drawings, they need to have a substitute to get rewards from the profit that the partnership makes, right? So that's the reason you need to have interest on drawings. So to reward partners for their invested capital. So makes sense, right? Interest on capital is used to replace drawings, okay, as a way to give rewards to the owners. And the interest on drawings here is to control the level of drawings by the partners. Okay, and then the last one, the third row, profit sharing ratio. Okay, this is simple, right? To see how much profit should go to partner A, how much profit should go to partners B, and so on. Okay, how they share the profit. Okay, you see what it says? To share the residual profit or loss of the partnership among the partners. Okay, for now, you don't need to understand what is meant by residual profit or loss. Later, I'll explain to you. Okay, now you just take it as profit. Okay, it's about sharing profit. For these four items, must remember forever. Okay, must remember these four items forever. Question may ask you, what are the examples of contents in a partnership agreement?